Hey guys, Brian here from Computer Cable Store. I'm back today with the second video of our network installation. So today, what we're going to be doing is prepping our wall for the mounting of the cabinet. So the game plan here is to mount the cabinet onto a piece of plywood, which is mounted to the wall. So for that, we're going to need to find the studs. So what I'm doing here is making a couple marks where we find the studs, and then I'm going to use a level to draw a line so we can use these as guides when we're mounting the plywood. So you can repeat this process a few times until you have 3 studs lined up, and then we're prepped and ready to go to mount our plywood.